report where we proposed, correct me, Opio Wandai, I think we proposed moving from, is it 12 years to 20 years, all there, so that we can escape the crisis. Thank you.
Lastly, last time, 7 countries had given a nod to Raila's bid.
You said 7?
7 countries that...
There will be more, I can assure you. Yeah.
How many more have come on board?
Okay. No, this is work in progress.
Is he going back to, is he going to Rwanda, because he said he will be traveling to Kigali?
Maybe he can answer that for himself.
I'll go when I go. I'll be going to not just Rwanda. I'll be going to many other African countries. And just watch this piece. I need to talk to many leaders across the continent. Because you know that a candidate to be successful must get two-thirds physically, first round or second round. If you don't get 2/3, then you're not elected. So I have to dialogue with virtually all leadership of the continent. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Well done. Great.